All right, so the sign out function is not different from the sign in. All of them make use of the create attendance schema class, and then the URL. So only the URL in this case change. So I'm calling it sign out, and then on my attendance.py in my repository, I'm calling the sign out function. So let's look at the logic in the sign out function. So this is the sign out function after getting the request data and then the DB session. Create I create today's date, then I check whether you have already signed in today. So if you have signed in today, I goes ahead to sign you out. If not, I throw an exception that you haven't signed in today, so you need to sign in first. So that is all I do for our sign out function. I think the next is to get all attendance. And then get attendance by a specific user. All right, stay tuned for the next